To connect or to pair your DJI Mic Mini with your iPhone via transmitter is fairly simple. All you need to do is start by ensuring that the mics are connected to the camera transmitter or to the transmitter. And to do that, you're going to put the transmitter in pairing mode. And then you're also going to put the mics in pairing mode and wait for them to connect. Once they've been connected, you then want to connect the transmitter to your phone. To do that, you're going to start by removing this lid like so. And when you've removed it, you should be able to see these pinholes. Now, what you're going to do is simply go back into your case and grab the camera receiver, the mic receiver, like so. And you're going to connect the receiver onto the transmitter. To do that, you're going to just align the pins with the circles on the transmitter. And then you're just going to push it in. So go ahead and push it in, like so, until they've been successfully connected. Once they've been connected, you're then going to insert your camera. You're going to insert the transmitter into your phone. So go ahead and do so like so, this. And then once this indicator light stops blinking, it means that the mics and the phone have been successfully connected. And so once it's been successfully connected, just ensure that it's been set as your input device. So go ahead and open up settings, scroll and select sounds and haptics, choose input and ensure that your DJI Mic Mini has been set as your input device. Now you can start using them on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.